What is AI safety as artificial intelligence becomes more powerful? A critical question has emerged. How do we ensure that AI systems behave reliably, safely, and in alignment with human values? This is the domain of AI safety. AI safety is a field of research and engineering focused on ensuring that AI systems do what they are intended to do, even as they become more capable. It encompasses several key areas. Alignment research focuses on ensuring AI systems pursue the goals humans actually intend, not a misinterpretation of those goals. Robustness research ensures AI systems behave reliably even when they encounter unusual inputs or adversarial conditions. Interpretability research aims to understand what is happening inside AI models so humans can verify their behavior. Safety engineering ensures that systems fail safely and that there are mechanisms for human oversight and intervention. AI safety is no longer a purely academic concern. Major technology companies, governments, and regulatory bodies worldwide are actively investing in it. New legislation in multiple regions is beginning to require safety evaluations for high-impact AI systems. For technology professionals, AI safety is an emerging career area with significant growth. Roles in AI alignment research, safety engineering, model evaluation, and AI policy are being created at organizations worldwide. As AI becomes embedded in healthcare, finance, infrastructure, and public services, the stakes of getting safety right are very high. AI safety is not just important. It is essential.